This is not what you're ready for. The CEO of Ripple has publicly stated that a judicial victory against the SEC is near. We just cannot ignore the signal, which is among the most bullish in history. This has, of course, led cryptocurrency gurus to project XRP explosive rise, and their predictions are completely out of control. According to some, the XRP Ripple coin may eventually hit $10,989. Pretty crazy. Don't pass up this chance to become wealthy. Let me clarify. Disclaimer. The high-stakes legal struggle between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission has finally come to an end after almost 4 years of court fights. The SEC formally withdrawn their cross-appeal against Ripple on July 3rd at a private meeting, sending a powerful message throughout the cryptocurrency ecosystem and inspiring hope among the XRP community. The XRP governor tweeted that the SEC had formally withdrawn its appeal against Ripple, citing Stuart Alderode, the company's chief legal officer. Significant victory for Ripple and a turning point for XRP. Beginning in 2020, the case had a lasting impact on XRP. Now that the legal fog has been lifted, XRP is more than simply another cryptocurrency vying for acceptance. It now has access to something that the rest of the cryptocurrency industry still finds difficult to obtain: clarity of regulations. Clarity also brings opportunities. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, wasted little time in describing this as a turning point and indicating that the business is prepared to go, implying that Ripple intends to take a bold approach. The XRP rose by about 5% in reaction to the announcement, indicating that the market is confident that this is more than just a legal win. It's approved for wider implementation. The increasing discussion surrounding the possible introduction of an XRP exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is what makes this moment even more crucial. Imagine this to see why that matters. An ETF can be thought of as an investment basket. Rather than purchasing individual bananas, oranges, and apples, you purchase shares in the full fruit basket. In the world of finance, that fruit might be stocks, gold, or even cryptocurrency. Retail and institutional investors would be able to purchase XRP through the stock market with a spot XRP ETF, eliminating the need to handle a digital wallet or interact with a cryptocurrency exchange. By bridging the divide between conventional banking and the cryptocurrency space, it greatly increases XRP accessibility and allure for Wall Street. Filings for SpotX and repeat ETFs may start as early as this July, according to the Axpeed platform. According to the platform, the resolution of the legal dispute removes one of the main obstacles that had prevented asset managers from participating. This view was supported by Nate Garassi, president of the ETH Shop, who stated that the resolution removes a major obstacle and allows businesses to give XRP-based financial products real consideration. And the stakes are bigger than ever as rumors circulate that BlackRock, the same BlackRock that spearheaded the race for Bitcoin ETF, may be involved. However, there are dangers. Long holdings on XRPs are getting more and more crowded, indicating that many traders are now placing bets on price increases. According to Axpeed, short-term volatility may result from this type of overexposure, particularly if market sentiment changes or ETF filings don't happen as soon as anticipated. However, despite that risk, the future is still promising. One of the most crucial requirements for institutional investors is regulatory clarity. Big companies like asset managers, banks, and hedge funds just won't participate without it. Now that XRP satisfies that need, everything might be different. Potentially the first digital asset with a clear route to conventional financial instruments, this token was formerly mired in legal ambiguity. According to his calculations, XRP might reach $100 instead of $1,000, with an infusion of about $30 billion. Though much easier to understand than the $640 trillion theory, it is nonetheless ambitious. It's no surprise that people are speculating about parabolic moves when you take into account Brito's cryptic emoji, analysts' irrational predictions, and the possibility that XRP is the only significant coin in the U.S. cryptocurrency market with legal certainty. Let's now explore what could be Ripple's most audacious move to date. Ripple is forming alliances behind the scenes that have the potential to upend the whole financial system. Furthermore, insiders claim that Ripple's strategic roadmap aims for worldwide supremacy rather than merely development. Some are referring to a recent leak as the most optimistic signal in XRP history, because it even suggests a scheme so big. This is something you will want to hear. David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, recently gave a compelling preview of the XRP ledger's future, presenting a vision that may completely alter how traditional banking and DeFi interact. Schwartz explained how the XRP ledger is more than simply a blockchain in a succinct but enlightening video that was uploaded on X. It has the potential to develop into a key platform that connects the open, global world of DeFi with highly controlled banking systems. Schwartz offers a straightforward yet insightful explanation. Suppose that despite strict laws, banks are nevertheless able to produce financial products that communicate directly with decentralized platforms, such as commercial loans or real estate portfolios. Through the XRP ledger, these assets might be tokenized and made available globally rather than being restricted inside conventional financial silos. He used the example of a licensed lender issuing traditional loans that are fractionalized and represented on-chain so that anyone can own a portion of the debt in a system that is entirely decentralized.